Want to turn ideas into income? Say less. It's Free Money Wednesdays. Every week, we drop the hottest funding alerts, grants, scholarships, startup catch, and hidden gems. Tune in with the Free Money crew as we break down how to apply, win, and level up. From the blog to the tube, we've got you covered. Visit mycoachministry.com/blog or subscribe on YouTube at mycoachministry for the latest drops.
Okay, welcome to another segment of Free Money Wednesday, and this episode is focusing on 89 illuminated doors. And I want you to look at what I'm showing you there. I want to say thank you for your support. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for supporting this program. Now, this episode that we're going into, I want us to think of an anthem of possibility, because that's what this is about. So let's get to it. So welcome, radiant souls, to another Free Money Wednesdays, where the universe's generosity meets your readiness to receive. Okay, today we stand on the cusp of August 2025, a gateway opened by 89 powerful grand opportunities, all beckoning your unique vision forward. Now let's go directly to the blog. So this is right here. There we go. All right. So the first thing we're going to look at, the magic of 89. Okay. So every 9 isn't just a number. It's a constellation of possibilities. MyCoachMinistry.com highlights these as essential grants to pursue in August 2025, crafted for both global seekers and US-based dreamers. 89 reasons to lean into your ambitions, to dare with faith, and to bring your loftiest ideas to life. And all you have to do is go to www.mycoachministry.com. Hold a second. You've reached, sorry. Yeah, mycoachministry.com/blog, or when you just go to mycoachministry.com, just scroll down until you see the money blog. All right. Yes. Now, some of these grants come from federal sources. For example, Department of Labor's WDQI grants offering up to $2.5 million to modernize state data systems, DOL. Others spark innovations in nonprofits, libraries, or community-based movements, right? Each one is a spark waiting for you, waiting for your fuel. Now, a poetic map of impact. Picture this. The path to funding is like the moonlighting river, winding, reflective, and rich. Each grant described in that golden list is a tributary leading toward a sea of renewal. Yes. Is your mission to uplift your community? The Hartford Foundation's Pomeroy Brace Fund is open soon, with $1,000 to $25,000 available for projects that build, beautify, and break new ground. It opens on August 26. Proposals are due by October 1. That's the Hartford Foundation for Public Giving. Are you igniting minds through culture or tech? FEMA's non-disaster preparedness grants were unveiled July 28, 2025, offering funding to nurture resilience in art, heritage, safety, and preparedness. FEMA. Do you ripple change close to home? The Grand Traverse Regional Community Foundation now offers quick response grants of up to $2,500 dispersed monthly for nimble projects in communities longing to breathe innovation. These are not static dollars, y'all. They are living portals. They want your courage, your bold ideas, your urgency. So let's refresh, renew your call for action, right? My dear listeners, rising is not an accident. Let me say that again, my dear listeners. Rising is not an accident. It's intentional. Let this episode be your clarion. Read the article, breathe in all 89 opportunities, let them tease possibilities you've yet to imagine. Select the three that call you the loudest. Even if eligibility seems slim, let the resonance guide you. Then write with data in one hand and your soul in the other. Let stories, statistics, and your burning purpose intertwine. August 2025 is bleeding into September's arms, so time is sacred. Let's move not tomorrow, but today. Let us lean into the fresh where money meets meaning. As the sun sets on August and the next door inches open, remember, you are not asking for clarity, you're claiming your birthright. A grant is not just funds, it's belief in what you bring to the world. So go, apply, let your vision stand in the light of possibility. This is Free Money Wednesdays, where your dreams are not only welcome, they are wanted, they're invited, they're desired. Until next, of course, for you, this segment of our program is re aired on Wednesdays. All right. So make sure you join in and refresh, relax, renew. And may free money find you faithful. Let's go to our tip for today. Okay, so this is our free Money Wednesdays tip, our funding tip for today. So, one grant equals one story. Never recycle the exact same proposal for every application. Each grant deserves its own tailored story. Make the funder see themselves in your success. This has been this week's episode of Free Money Wednesdays. I love to open new packages. I want to deliver the latest information on the top funding opportunities for entrepreneurs who are seeking funding. Come along with me. I'm Coach Raquel, and this is a passion project for me, so I'm so happy to bring this to you. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for watching.
Unlock your potential every Thursday with our podcast, Refresh, Relax, Renew. Join Coach Raquel as she guides you through personal development journeys. Each episode focuses on actionable steps to enhance your personal journey. The podcast features 3 main segments to keep you engaged. We start with discussions on trending topics relevant to your growth. Then we unbox solutions to common challenges we face daily. Finally, stay updated with fresh funding opportunities each week. Tune in every Thursday for new episodes, and see you there.